How long does it take to onboard a new supplier? For most large enterprises, it can take months. The business impacts are well known. Operational delays from missed deadlines and inventory shortfalls, increased costs from expensive stopgap solutions, strained relationships with suppliers who perceive your company as disorganized, and frustrated business users who feel hampered by red tape and departmental inefficiency. Procurement departments need a zero-tolerance policy for sluggish supplier onboarding. That's where ORO comes in, an AI-powered procurement orchestration platform built for the enterprise. ORO improves risk management through unified risk scoring, compliance checks, identity validation, and AI-powered fraud detection. It effortlessly guides suppliers through document collection and provides self-service access to process updates. And it gives business users an intuitive, compliant, and secure way to onboard suppliers, or extend existing suppliers to new regions and scopes. Worried about incomplete, inaccurate, and inconsistent supplier data? With ORO, you can aggregate vendor details across scattered systems to create a single, complete, and authoritative source of truth. ORO orchestrates end-to-end processes and manages collaboration across procurement, finance, risk, and vendor operations on a single platform. The results? Cycle time reduction from more than 20 days to less than 5. Reduced need for supplier callbacks from 100% to less than 2. 100% compliance with procurement policy, and millions saved through advanced bank fraud detection. Fast, efficient, and safe. That's supplier onboarding and maintenance, orchestrated by ORO. ORO, procurement that works for everyone.